energy don't lie. Don't lie. Energy don't lie. I feel everything. Energy don't lie. I don't need no words. I don't need no words. I can feel your tone. Every little shift, yeah, hit my soul. You can smile all day, but I see through it. I read between the lines, I'm intuitive. I've been learning how to trust what I feel inside. No more second guessing, no more asking why. If it don't feel right, then it don't align. I choose me every single time. I feel it in my body. Something shifting quietly. No more ignoring signs. I see it clearly now. Energy don't lie. I can feel the truth. Even when it's hidden, I can see right through. I don't chase illusions, I just let it flow. If it's meant for me, then it's gonna show. Energy don't lie. I trust what I feel. No more fake love, I want something real. I'm aligned, I'm protected, I'm in my zone. Anything not for me, I let it go. I've been healing, I've been growing on my own. Turn my pain into power in my soul. Now I move different, yeah, I leveled up. I don't entertain anything that's not enough. I attract what I am, so I keep it clean. My body, soul, yeah, I keep it green. Everything I want already inside. Now I let the universe decide. What's not for me, I receive what's meant to be. I don't force, I just align. Everything comes in divine time. Energy don't lie, I can feel the truth. Even when it's hidden, I can see right through. I don't chase illusions, I just let it flow. If it's meant for me, then it's gonna show. Energy don't lie. I trust what I feel. No more fake love, I want something